Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to make money from a funded account. How to make money from a funded account. So the first thing that you want to understand is a funded account is not that much different from your personal trading account. The only difference is that with a funded account you are trading with somebody else's money. So there's kind of the added pressure, there's also kind of added benefits, but with your own personal trading account you're essentially trading your own funds. So that's kind of the difference there. But when it comes to make money with these accounts, there is not that much difference. The way you would trade with your personal trading account is almost the same way you would trade with these funded accounts and make money from these funded accounts. Maybe one or two differences that I'll get into as we go with the video. See the links in the description box below. If you're looking for a new reliable forex broker, you can start with trading with just $5, $10 in your account, and you can learn how to trade with the brokers that I have in the description box below. Okay, so point number one, and this goes also for your personal trading accounts. The goal is to stick to your trading plan. If you don't know how to stick with your trading plan in forex trading, whether you're trading with a personal trading account or a funded trading account, you will lose money. So you need to follow your strategy. You have got a strategy that you are using. I assume you have got a trading strategy that you are using for your trading. If you don't have a strategy for trading, I rather advise you to come up with a strategy that you can test and make sure that it aligns with who you are as a trader. Are you a swing trader, scalper, day trader, and stuff like that? Then also consistency over big wins. People want to make money quick. People want to make the big monies very fast because it's trading, because they are using a funded trading account. Don't attempt it. Try to achieve consistency. Don't chase the big wins. Try to focus on becoming a consistently profitable trader, even if you are making smaller profits. Okay, so that's how to make money with a funded account. The second thing is, of course, manage your risk. Most prop firms have got rules. They tell you you cannot have this much drawdown on your account. They tell you we don't trade news. They tell you we don't hold positions throughout the weekend. Things like that. They tell you we use stop losses. You need those rules that they've set there are for you to manage a risk. So you need to manage your risk. Respect the firm's rules. They gave you the money and they don't want you to lose the money. Don't lose the money. Respect their rules and don't go about relaxing and becoming reckless with the firm's money. Try to keep to their rules. If they tell you we only risk 1 to 2% per trade, stick with that. If they tell you we always use stop losses, use stop losses. That's how you manage the risk. Then you also want to focus on high probability trades. I think this is an obvious one. Whether you're trading with a prop fund account or you are trading with your own funds, you want to make sure that you are only focusing on high probability trades. So this involves waiting for quality setups. The thing that people cannot do in trading is waiting. Some people feel they need to always be in the market. You will blow accounts. You need to wait for quality setups. You need to limit emotional trading. Whether you're trading with a prop firm account or whether you're trading with your personal account, you need to avoid making decisions based on emotions. If you're not in the right mindset for trading, rather stay out of the markets rather than lose the prop firm's money or the funded account. And What you also want to do to make money with these funded accounts is to take advantage of the scaling opportunities that are offered by these prop firms. Most of these prop firms, they have got scaling programs. If they give you $10,000 today and you are making the money, you are growing that account, and they can see that you are a very good trader, you are growing the account, you are making the money, you are making yourself money, those guys, they can actually also offer you more funding. So it's kind of different from personal accounts where nobody's going to fund you. So with the prop firm accounts, you have more opportunity for growing your capital. If you are a very good trader, they offer you scaling opportunities. And when you scale those opportunities, of course, you want to compound your profits. Make sure you are compounding your profits by investing a portion of the money that you are making back into your account, so that you consistently are growing that trading account. Now all of a sudden you are also able to make those 100 lot size positions that you have been desiring. You have been looking at people on Instagram, you have seen people making 100 lots, like 100 standard lots, like, hey, how do these people make these 100 standard lots and things like that. And also you need to maximize the profit sharing opportunities that are offered by these prop firms. Some of them typically tell you we do a 70-30 split, 90-10 split, which means depending on the money that they give you and depending on the prop firm, they can give you 70% of the profit that you make from that amount that they gave you. They gave you $10,000 and you grow that money into $20,000. You get to keep 70% of that profit, and they only take 30%. Sometimes they will tell you it's 90-10, which means they get to only take 10% and you get to keep 90% of that profit. How good is that? You can also negotiate when it's possible, because in some cases, if you are a very good consistent and profitable trader, you are actually able to negotiate with them. Let's say maybe they start with you on a 50-50 or 60-40. You can actually negotiate with them. Hey, I'm a very good trader, I'm making you money, guys, let's do 70-30, let's do 90-10, let's do this kind of structure. As long as you are demonstrating your value to the company, it will pay off in the long term. Then another thing, if you have a funded trading account and you are making money, seek out new opportunities. Sometimes, people, they pass a prop firm challenge with trading gold and they never look elsewhere. It's fine. You make sure you keep the things that made you money in the first place, but sometimes seek out other opportunities, other pairs, other assets to trade, as long as you can make money for the prop firm and for yourself. There is no challenges there. It also helps you to stay flexible. Let's say sometimes there are no setups on gold. You can maybe move to silver, you can move to wheat, you can move to oil, you can move to Euro USD, the currency pairs and stuff like that. And also keep detailed records. That's how you can make money in trading. Whether you're trading your personal account or you're trading your funded account, make sure you're keeping records so that you know what you are doing. Is it working or is it not? So journal everything. Write down the trades that you took. How did you take the trade? Why did you take the trade? So that you see, when you make mistakes, what went wrong. When you make it right, what is working for you. Then from there you can only do what works and avoid the stuff that does not work. And the last thing probably that I'm going to talk about is to reinvest in yourself. Keep learning. Most people stop learning. Keep learning. Forex is always changing. It's always changing. Trading is always changing. Keep learning new things, new opportunities, new strategies, new things that are coming up. And also, the last thing is withdraw profits wisely. Know when to withdraw your profits, how much you're going to withdraw, how are you going to use that money, so that you don't want to withdraw enough to blow your account. You want to just withdraw enough money so that you can live and enjoy your life, but still growing the account. So withdraw your profits wisely, whether you are using a profit trading account or you are using your own personal account. Guys, I hope this helps you. See you in the next one. Bye.